Greetings and welcome to Duster Desktop. I thought I'd give a rundown on the system I've just resurrected. It's a Pentium 3600. It's a machine I've had in storage for a long time. It was missing video card, network card, sound card, no storage, and I thought I'd give a bit of a rundown what this machine can do in 2026. Things like retro gaming, getting it online, and bulletin board access, which is something I used to do in the day that I really loved. So I'm going to spin the camera around and give you a little tour. Okay, so hopefully you can see the screen all right. I'm going to get a screen capture card down the track to make it a bit clearer. It's also quite loud. These old machines are quite noisy. So I've installed Windows 98 SE on this machine. I thought it would suit best as far as drivers and give me a bit more stuff inbuilt straight out of the box. And I've gone with KMelon 1.5.4 for browsing the internet. I did a bit of testing with Opera and Firefox and even the newer Internet Explorer 6, but yeah, just too many pop-up errors and security errors. So a quick look at KMelon. Pretty well this does what a modern browser does. I haven't played with it a lot, but much prefer it to the other ones I tried. I've just put a couple of links on here just to quickly show you around. It's nice with these old machines to still be able to get online. I know there's risks, but there's some good information, good downloads. Yeah, it's just nice to have these old machines online as well, especially for the bulletin boards like I'll be going through next. So I'll put these links in the description of the video if you want to take a look. There really is some good stuff on here. Okay, the next thing is getting onto bulletin board systems, which is something I'd love doing back in the day. Used to actually do that on my Amiga 1200, and it was a great way to get files and chat to people, play door games, stuff like that. So I've gone with PuTTY at the moment, but I am looking for a better terminal program. This works okay. This is version 0.61, and I've just I can do a deeper dive into this program if you want me to explain how I installed it and how it works. There are a few settings to make it look better as well. I still don't think I've got it really dead right, but it's not bad. So this is end of line BBS. If I just bring this one up and give you an idea what it's like. Alright, so once you log in, you get the sort of recent bulletins are up to recent information to read if you wish. You'll often get information from the system operator, and then you can go in and you can see other people that have been online. You can read email if you have one, which I do actually have one there. So I'll go no for that for now and just take you in and have a look. So here we go. We have doors, external programs, which is your games area. You have files and transfers, which is your downloads. And particular bulletin board systems have more tailored files and areas for particular systems. So there's a complete Amiga bulletin board systems. There's ones that suit the older Windows machines and retro machines, and you name it, it's there. It's just a matter of finding the ones you like and then saving them so you can go back in. Okay, so it wouldn't be a retro gaming machine if you couldn't play retro games. Now this machine, I've put in a AGP FX5200 video accelerator, so it can play a little bit more modern stuff even though it's a fairly old machine. Things like GL Quake, which I couldn't play with my old 166, and Duke Nukem 3D, but also we'll be able to play stuff like Serious Sam, I'm hopeful will run. Things like Red Alert and Jedi Knight, games like that my old machine couldn't. This should be able to run Diablo, you know, maybe Diablo 2 as well. Would be awesome to get back into. Okay, also with this other monitor, because I think it will look a lot better, I'll just bring up the demo of Quake just to show you what it's like. It's a little bit dark, but I do like it like that. I like it atmospheric. Yeah, it seems to be playing it very well, and looking forward to getting back into it. And we'll bring up Duke Nukem just quickly. See how that looks. The Duke.
Let's rock.
It looks great. Cannot wait. And just playing on original hardware, as I mentioned, just fantastic. Excellent. More games to come. Thank you for watching. It was just a brief look at this new machine, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. I've got lots of projects coming up, lots of machines to resurrect, and this is one of the motherboards I'm keen to fit up somewhere. It's a dual Telatin, I think it's a 1.2 gigahertz. Probably make a pretty good XP machine. I haven't had that running for probably 20 years, so I'm excited to get that up and running again. Please subscribe, let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see, and I'll see you on the next one.